It was just a few days, but it felt like forever.
When will they announce we won?
Soon. I have written an acceptance speech.
Great thinking.
Oh, here it is!
Welcome back. I know you're super excited to hear the winner of our song contest. So am I. Well, they're here in the studio, ready to play with Catgo and the 9 Lives!
But how could the winner be there when we're here?
I was only walking through your neighborhood, saw you light on honey in the cold. I stood anywhere I go, there you are. Anywhere I go, there you are. I've been getting used to waking up with you. I've been getting used to waking up here. Anywhere I go, there you are. Go, there you are. There you are. There you are. You're the fire and the flood, and I always feel you in my blood. Everything is fine. Feel the lightness in my step. You're miles away, but I still feel you. Anywhere I go, there you are. Anywhere I go, there you are. Late at night, when you can't fall asleep, I'll be lying right beside you, counting sheep. Anywhere I go, there you are. Anywhere I go, there you are. You're the fire and the flood,